Just after 7 p.m. in Seagoville, Texas, officers spotted a Chevrolet pickup reported stolen. The driver did not pull over. Instead, he accelerated away, turning a stolen vehicle call into a police pursuit. The chase ends, but the danger does not. After the pickup is stopped, officers move in, and the suspect makes a second decision that puts an officer directly in the path of a moving police vehicle. Bodycam footage shows the struggle moving to a patrol cruiser. The officer is trying to keep control of the vehicle while the suspect fights for the driver's seat. For a moment, this is no longer a normal arrest. The suspect gets the cruiser moving while the officer is still caught in the fight at the door. Every second makes the distance between the officer and the vehicle more dangerous. The cruiser reverses, then moves forward again. The officer is dragged alongside his own patrol car as he continues trying to stop the suspect. According to police, the struggle lasts roughly 2 minutes. Another Seagoville officer arrives and uses a taser. The suspect is subdued and taken into custody. Authorities identified him as Brandon Roy Booth and said the incident began with a stolen pickup, a chase, and an attempted theft of the patrol vehicle. This video is based on publicly released bodycam and dashcam footage.
Jump out! Jump out! Help me! Help me! Over here, dude! Two 33, we're fighting one. Taser deployment.